Thank you. My name is Pesce. I'm a nurse, and I've been an advocate for women's health for over 40 years. I'm old enough to remember the time prior to Roe v. Wade, attending women with infections because of coat hanger abortions, and those obtained from non-licensed providers. There was a horrible time in the era of care for women. I have seen the consistent way pro-choice advocates have nibbled away at that decision, all under the banner of improving health care management for women and trying to take away their right of choice. Now we again are trying to put an undue burden on women by requiring a sonogram prior to having this procedure done. Having a doctor review the sonogram in real time, pointing out a fetus that this woman has just made a decision to abort, which is a horrible decision for them to make, but it has not been made in a vacuum. It has usually been made with input from family, counselors, and their clergy. True counseling, as was mentioned before, does give women options. I've been a counselor for that many years, and I can tell you that I give both sides of the story, not just one side. And I have never in my nursing career called it a pile of cells. I call it what it is, and any other provider would do that too. But this requirement forces a woman to have a procedure that may become invasive, such as a transvaginal sonogram, and not able to afford since some insurance companies will not pay for it, and an undue burden upon providers who need to explain the sonogram to a woman or face a fine of $1,000. This decision may be between a provider and the woman, but should be private, not legislated, and procedures not determined by politicians. This legislation would take away the woman's right to privacy, invading her personal liberty and her right to choose. In no other area of our lives would we allow this to occur, either for a woman or a man. Thank you.
Thank you.